आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जैसा आप चाहते हैं वैसा होकर रहे।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You can start the countdown to 27 hours. In 27 hours from now, you and every other Indian will prepare to defend our motherland. Bharat calls upon all its braves to prepare for the final assault. India is ready for Akraman. After choking Chenab's waters flowing to Pakistan and deporting Pakistanis in India, now India is calling upon its sons and daughters to ready the civil defense system. Sources say that the Union Home Ministry has asked several states to train civilians and students in defense from 7th of May. Evacuation and blackout protocols will be practiced in these states. Air raid sirens will be tested and vital installations will be camouflaged. As Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh says, जैसा आप चाहते हो वैसा होकर रहेगा. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been busy in the war room at South Block with a series of meetings at Prime Minister's office. Modi has displayed both the political will and strategic planning, and the writing on the wall is clear for Pakistan and the terror bosses it harbors. Watch how 26/11 and Pahalgam's mastermind Hafiz Saeed's son Talha is frightened that Modi will kill Hafiz Saeed. Modi मार देगा और वो पाकिस्तान में महफूज हैं. Well, look at the irony. While Pakistan is petrified, Rahul Gandhi's party mocks our prowess. While Pakistan gets nightmares of Rafales, Ajay Rai flies mock models of Rafales with Nimbu Mirchi hanging from it. And Ajay Rai is no ordinary person. He is the Congress president of the largest state of India, Uttar Pradesh. Imran Masood dares the Sarkar to remove the Nimbu Mirchi. Now Pakistan's defense minister jumps in to say that India doesn't have the guts to fly Rafale. What's worse, Akhilesh's party even falls for Pakistan's fakery. Remember, Pakistan forces put out this video claiming that their army chief, General Asim Munir, is at the LOC today. A closer look reveals that the video and audio doesn't even sync. Pak may be back to dhokha and deception, but Samajwadi Party's Ameek Jamai says that Pakistan leaders are busy working, but PM Modi is missing. Imagine. Watch how opposition is armed with Nimbu Mirchi memes and fakery.
जब राफेल हिंदुस्तान के पास आया, जब रक्षा मंत्री जी गए थे तो उन्होंने नींबू मिर्चा बांधा था और नींबू मिर्चा सरकार ने बांधा है. मैं तो वही बता रहा हूं, को याद दिला रहा हूं कि नींबू मिर्चे कब हटेंगे और ये राफेल अपना कब काम करेगा.
नींबू मिर्च हटा दीजिए ना, अब तो मौका है, अब इससे ज्यादा और मौका क्या होगा. उसकी नींबू मिर्च हटा दीजिए. इतना पैसा खर्च कर अगर हमने कोई हथियार खरीदा है तो उसको इस्तेमाल भी तो किया जाना चाहिए. क्या उस पर जंग लगाने के लिए खड़ा किया है.
प्रधानमंत्री दिल्ली से गायब है. कहीं फैशन शो कर रहे हैं, कहीं मनोरंजन शो कर रहे हैं. और पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति क्या कर रहे हैं, उनका सेना अध्यक्ष क्या कर रहा है, चीन उनके साथ क्यों खड़ा हुआ है.
हम तो आज तक सदन में पूछते रहे पुलवामा कैसे हुआ. अगर पुलवामा की रिपोर्ट आती तो पहलगाम नहीं होता. हमसे पूछोगे.
You just heard how yet again the Congress gave Pakistan a handle to mock our braves and Bharat's prowess. From calling Balakot a surgical strike to accusing Air Force of uprooting trees, not terrorists. From calling the then Army Chief a Sadak ka Gunda to saying that surgical strikes were for political benefit. This is not the first time that the Congress party and its partners have betrayed Bharat. So ladies and gentlemen, the Motorola legitimate question that we're asking on the news hour tonight. Has Congress misfired on Bharat to target Modi? That's the question and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Suhail Seth, columnist, marketing guru, Smita Prakash, editor ANI. Also joining me, Professor Anwar Pasha, national spokesperson of the RJD, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst. But my first question goes to Congress leader Ashwini Kumar Mishra in the studios with us. And Ashwini Kumar Mishra, I want to ask, with all the responsibility at my command, is this the Congress party which is working for Pakistan, or is it the National Congress Party of India? Because the manner in which you lose no opportunity to attack India and give weapons actually to ammunition to Pakistan has become a joke in this country. At a time like this, आप ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे as if after 26/11 you had done a full attack on Pakistan. The then Air Chief Ali Homi Major said on several times, on several interviews, including his book, that they asked permission, they were not given permission. And then you have the audacity to make fun of Rafales, to make fun of the preparedness, and to make everything out to be a joke.
Navika ji, asking questions to the government when it becomes pro-Pakistani, is government not accountable for what is happening in country? Is government is not accountable for what happened in Pahalgaon? Is government not accountable for what happened in Pulwama? Shying away from accountability and hiding behind what Congress is asking is what we are protesting here. We are demanding a justice to the 26 people who died in Pahalgaon. And government is playing, I don't know what sort of game. Media is helping them in creating this whole fight on the studios, calling all those Pakistani journalists, abusing them, and creating a narrative to the people that we are winning the battle with the Pakistan on the TV studio. We really need to win a battle with the Pakistan, then we need to go back to 1971, where we divided Pakistan into two and liberated Bangladesh. Congress, asking Congress integrity, asking Congress intention, don't forget Congress was the one which shed the blood for the independence of the country. It was not, BJP didn't exist that point of time, and the ideology of theirs, I will not go into that. That will be a different thing.
It's been 80 years since then.
I understand.
No, it's been 80 years since then. So we should only rest on the laurels of 1947 and not talk about today. I'm asking you this question, Mr. Ashwini. ये जो asking questions हैं, या अजय राय holding a Rafale with Nimbu Mirchi is your idea of Cartoon Network?
This is not the idea of Cartoon. This is what a whole nation is asking. What we have, what Rafale for?
You want the government to give you the detailed battle plan so that you can convey it to the powers who are against us?
When we are fighting, almost on the verge of fighting a war here, where is Modi ji? He is doing photo ops. He's doing election rallies. This is what you expect from the government. This is what you expect from the Prime Minister. Has he gone to Pahalgaon yet? Has he gone to Manipur yet? So let's not get into that detail. What Congress is demanding is that we need action, and we need action which are visible.
So you will decide the date, not the defense forces.
Let them decide. We are standing with them.
The Prime Minister has said the defense forces will decide the timing, they will decide the nature. But here the Congress party wants to dictate to you, Shehzad Poonawalla. I don't know. Do you want to hand over the defense of the country to the Congress party?
I would only request that Ashwini ji will not interrupt, and I heard him out patiently. Paraspar virodhe tu vayam panchashate shatam parestu vigrah prapte vayam panchadik shatam. Mahabharat mein ek prasang hai where Yudhishthir tells the Kauravas that even though we are 100 versus 5 when we are fighting against each other, when there is an external threat, we are not 100 versus 5, we are 105. You rightly spoke about 1971. Let me elaborate on 1971. In 1971, General Manekshaw was called by Indira Gandhi in April, and he said, "We are not prepared, madam." Indira ji said, "Okay, take your time." And then finally, we have attacked and done whatever we did with Pakistan, breaking it into two pieces in December. Not once did the opposition at that time, led by Vajpayee ji, ever ask for proof. Never did they say to Ms. Indira Gandhi that why not in 14 days, why not in 28 days. Now coming to the Congress party's track record, and we have Suhail Seth here. 26/11, Suhail Seth has lost friends, people who are with him. after 26/11, the Army and the Air Force Chief gave the specific information that Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, let us attack the terrorist camps. Rather than that, Mr. Manmohan Singh went out and said, I am very proud that no action was taken. He went to Sharm el-Sheikh and signed a thing saying that we are attacking Baluchistan by terror attacks, and he also wanted to give away Siachen. Please, by all means, ask questions of the government. We have also asked the questions of the government, but surgical strike was done by the army and announced by DGMO. Navika, you know, when Osama bin Laden was taken out, Obama announced it, not the armed forces of America. Yet not a single Republican asked the question. Today, when DGMO announced the surgical strike, who's asking the question? Channi ji. When Balakot was announced by the Air Force, who's asking the question? Priyank Khadge yesterday on your channel. Please, Mr. Ashwini, I did not interrupt you. Mr. Ashwini, I did not interrupt you. Navika, I did not interrupt. Navika, please let me complete. I have not interrupted him. Finally, Navika, I am reminded of General Bipin Rawat. He spoke of 2.5 front war, which Smita will know about. There are two fronts which are very visible. The half front is the one that attacks the manobel of the Sena. And look at the starting. कि पाकिस्तान को बताओ भाईजान, पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट दो, सेना का करो अपमान और दो शरीर एक जान, पाकिस्तान और कांग्रेस बोले एक ही जुबान. I'll give you the example, please. I have not interrupted. Ashwini ji, I have not interrupted.
What is wrong? Not one action.
Navika, please, not that channel where we have to shout and scream. I have listened. Please let me complete.
Just calm down.
I know, but I have not interrupted him. Let me complete.
Please talk about the situation at the hand. We are debating
Navika, last one point. Navika, Suhail will remember, and he will correct me if I'm wrong. You know, when Kargil took place and we won in Kargil, then 2004 to 2009, Kargil Vijay Divas was not celebrated by Congress because they said, quote unquote, it is a BJP war. These people are called Sadak Ka Gunda for the army chief. You attack us, you abuse us. How dare you question the armed forces? Do you agree surgical strike happened? Do you concede that?
Ashwini,
then say that Kunti Dalali was wrong.
Response.
Do you agree Balakot happened? Say that Rahul Gandhi was wrong. Say it now.
And now let me answer you. Why are you shying away from the accountability? Why are you shying away? What happened when Pulwama was happened? Did you give any proof who attacked Pulwama? When surgical strike happened,
you are still asking for proof for Pulwama.
I'm asking for the accountability.
At a time when we are doing blackout drills, the Congress Party.
Balakot didn't happen after Pulwama.
I'm asking why.
1 second. Pulwama
did you caught hold of all the perpetrators? Did you caught hold of all the perpetrators? Did you find out how that RDX came?
Ashwini Mishra, I'm aghast that somebody who's an Indian is asking for proof of surgical strikes, is asking for proof of Balakot at a time when we are getting battle ready. And I want to get you in Suhail Seth. Suhail Seth, when these statements are running on Pakistani TV, how does our own defense forces look at these kind of statements used by Pakistan? I want to ask you, and I'm not getting into any rhetoric. The fact is, Mr. Channi, former Chief Minister of Punjab, again asked for proof. There have been innumerable statements, the latest one by Ajay Rai, the president of the Congress Party in Uttar Pradesh, with a Rafale and a Nimbu and a Mirchi. Not one word from Rahul Gandhi reprimanding any of these Congress leaders. What are we supposed to believe?
So let's start with what Ashwini said. His initial question was, should there be accountability? The answer is yes. Should the opposition ask questions of the government? The answer is yes. But Ashwini, there's a difference between asking a question and between mocking the defense forces, between mocking the Prime Minister by saying, oh, he's gone for a fashion show, by talking rubbish, by showing a Rafale with a Nimbu and a Mirchi. That is mocking. That's not asking a question. That is also belittling national pride, national intent, and national resolve. These are the worry points for the Congress. The Congress has every right, every Indian has a right to question the Home Minister and the government of India.
That is what we are doing.
There is a place and a time. There is also a mechanism by which you behave in a moment of national crisis where national unity is paramount. You don't make fun of our armed forces. You don't begin questioning whether Pulwama happened, because then you're playing into the hands of Pakistan, who said, oh, there was no Pulwama. By questioning Balakot, by questioning Pulwama, saying, oh, did it really happen? You are actually playing into the hands of the enemies. So, Navika, to answer your question, how do the Pakistani television channels feel? They feel that we also have our share of dolts who come on television. Sadly, they are Indian citizens who make stupid comments. Now you tell me, what can you make of an Ajay Rai? If he is the president of the Indian National Congress in Uttar Pradesh, now you know why the Congress in UP has been totally disseminated. People look up to their leaders for leadership. They don't look up to their leaders to be stand-up comics. It's another matter that sometimes by just existing, you become a stand-up comic. This is a serious matter. All political parties, including Rahul Gandhi. I was the first to say on national television, when Rahul Gandhi cut short his trip, came back to India, his tone, manner was full of gravitas, as it should be, as he is the leader of the opposition. And I gave him full marks for that. But his own party people keep letting him down. Now, Navika's issue is, should he reprimand them? That's an internal matter. You know, I'm not the headmaster's advisor in the Congress party. The tragedy, Navika, is we have enough people in our country both belittling and doubting our national security, our national capabilities, and our national resolve. These are worse enemies to have, because you can't do anything about them.
Absolutely, absolutely. But I differ with you, Sohail Seth. I differ with you, Sohail Seth, and I want to get in Smita on this point. Smita, when Rahul Gandhi, there is a letter that was sent out by the General Secretary of the Congress Party, K.C. Venugopal, asking everyone to control their tongue and not speak in dissonant voices. But that was last week. Since then, you have lost count of how many congressmen have come out and spoken in I don't know what to call it. I don't want to use bad language, but in all kinds of voices. Certainly not standing up with India, standing up with the nature of the support that all-party meeting had, concluded with. But when Mr. Rahul Gandhi doesn't say anything, isn't that going to be seen as license to just freely shoot wherever you want, whatever you want?
1 minute before Smita comes in, Navika, you will agree with me, and so will Smita. I want her views on this. Mr. Modi says things which to my mind are driven through national leadership, but sometimes people in the BJP also make stupid comments. So to blame some party people for their stupidity and therefore blame the national leader may not be the wisest thing.
We are not in normal times. We are in times where we are staring at a war. At such a inflection point in our country's history, Smita Prakash, should there not be a more serious statement coming in from the biggest national party in the opposition?
Totally agree with you, Navika, and almost partially or almost completely agree with Suhail also. Because a couple of hours ago, the Prime Minister met with the leader of the opposition, which is Rahul Gandhi. He had a one-to-one meeting, and the other members of the CCS have also had personal meetings with opposition leaders. They've had phone meetings with them. It's now the job of Rahul Gandhi to speak to his flock and to speak also to the India alliance. They may not have had meeting in several months. They have not fought elections together, but now, as you pointed out, we are in a state of a near war. We have an enemy that is mobilizing at the border and within the country for a kinetic action from India. In such a situation, low-level politics by some, if I'm being generous, I'll call them immature politicians. Suhail calls them clown, and I kind of agree with him that this is clown-like behavior. It's not going to harm the country as much, Navika, as it's going to harm their own politics. Because people from their constituency, from those who have voted for them, it's going to dent the authenticity of those leaders among their electorate. And nothing hurts more than losing in elections. Because people are listening quietly, formulating their opinions, See, nobody likes dissent even before the first bullet has been fired across the border. Well, there have been skirmishes, but actual terms of a war. Now, Navika, a short while ago, just barely half an hour ago, a memorandum has come from the IT ministry. It was released on about some social media handles and some influencers who the ministry claims is working against national interests. Now, if these social media platforms, if these influencers and these low-level politicians, they go overboard, the government is well within its act to invoke emergency measures under the IT ministry. And because it's a warlike situation, it's a conflict which can snowball into a war any day, any week. So they can exercise, it is time for all of us to exercise our rights judiciously. You know, jo civics lessons mein padha tha, it is time to do that. We have our right to speech, but we have to exercise that right judiciously, or else our rights might be curtailed. And if our rights are curtailed, that means us as media, our rights will also be curtailed, and we will not be able to bring information to you people, to the viewers of this channel, to the common citizens. I appeal to you, speak to your politicians, your MLAs, MPs, everybody, and tell them
there has to be a code of conduct that is required in a conflict situation that is building up, and I completely agree with you.
With Smita, that to call them low-level clowns, etc., is actually missing the point, Smita. Siddaramaiah is not low-level. Mr. Tariq Karra is not a low-level neta. Please, Ashwini ji, I request you. Ashwini ji, is your job only to
you tell me.
Navika, I have not interrupted.
Right after 26/11. What will you call him?
Gentlemen,
should I play Modi ji's video right
after he finishes? I'll allow you to come in.
Did he not share the government? What will you call him?
Navika, I request Ashwini ji with all the humility that let me complete my point, then you speak. I'm sure your point is not going to get invalidated.
Okay, go on.
Smita ji, please tell me, when Siddaramaiah says Pakistan se yuddh nahi hona chahiye, is he in the CCS? Is he entitled to decide this? Is Tariq Karra, the president of the Jammu Kashmir Congress Party, who says ki baatcheet kar lo unse, is he entitled to decide this? Saifuddin Sood says trust Pakistan, bro. Indus water pani band mat karo. Santosh Lad, nothing to do with them, says they don't stop the water of Pakistan. Khoon ki dalali was said by Rahul Gandhi about surgical strike. Balakot was called cheel kauve mare by Mr. Sidhu. Gunman hai, ye atanki nahi hai. Kerala Congress official tweet even today. So Smita Prakash ji, this is not some low-level Congress neta. This is the Congress party speaking in two voices. Rashtra Niti inside the all-party meeting, right. Vote Bank Niti outside.
Smita, counter.
So, Shehzad, how did I begin? What did I begin by saying? That Rahul Gandhi has just met with Mr. Modi. Hopefully this was discussed, and Mr. Rahul Gandhi will take corrective action. Siddaramaiah is senior to Rahul Gandhi. He, in terms of experience, in terms of portfolios that he has held. It is time though for Rahul Gandhi, because he holds a senior position right now as a country head, an opposition head. It's time for him to rein in his parties. Some people are clownish. I'm not saying all are clownish. Some people might be motivated for whatever reason, to get eyeballs, to whatever the reason is to be in the news. They might be saying this. They have to exercise restraint in times like this. The country demands it of
You're
them.
right, but are they doing it? Are they doing it, Professor Anwar Pasha? Because Manoj Jha को रोज चाहिए proof. वो कह रहे हैं हम तो पार्लियामेंट में यही पूछ रहे हैं. अरे भाई, वो समय और था. Now it's a different time. We are living in a time. Aage piche, of course, you're the opposition. You must raise questions. You must criticize the ruling party. You must keep them in check. That is the job. That is the dharma of the opposition. I have no problems with that. But these are sensitive times. These are times when we are sitting on the cusp of a conflict. I want to ask you, is this the time for opposition leaders to start having toys of Rafale and Nimbu Mirchi and to take digs at each other, put out social media tweets, which get used more by Pakistan than by your own voters within India?
नाविका जी, गुड इवनिंग. मैं एक शेर से अपनी बात शुरू करूंगा. उर्दू के एक बड़े शायर शाहब जाफरी का एक शेर है. तू इधर उधर की न बात कर, ये बता के काफिला क्यों लुटा. तू इधर उधर की न बात कर, ये बता के काफिला क्यों लुटा. मुझे रहजनों से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का सवाल है. Almost 2 weeks have passed after that gruesome attack on our civilians, on our tourists by the Pak-sponsored terrorists. What concrete actions our government has taken till now? The government saying this, as far as the Sindhu Water Treaty is concerned, this is just, I think, rhetoric. Experts are saying it will take 10 to 15 years to implement it.
Is it?
Deporting the Pak,
those dams are
nationals from
showing
India.
an 85% reduction in water flow into Pakistan, sir. How are you calling it rhetoric?
You are just trying to make people fool.
Oh.
Your media is saying that the whole Pakistan is thirsty. Pakistan के पास पानी नहीं है. Pakistan प्यास से मर रहा है. This kind of propaganda is going on to fool the people.
Okay. This is
this
propaganda. This is
not
true.
in India.
This is propaganda. This is not true. 1 minute. Suhail also wants. Suhail, you believe this is propaganda? Of course, Shehzad, you will respond. But Suhail, do you believe this is propaganda?
Our Prime Minister.
Let me correct
our Prime
this
Minister
RJD.
Our Prime Minister has no time to go to Kashmir.
And let me
He has time to go to Bihar to address election rally.
1 minute,
This is a serious
ये चेनाब का पानी है हुजूर. शेर और शायरी कर रहे हैं. चेनाब का पानी देख लीजिए पहले क्या हुआ करता था, अब क्या है.
एक मिनट.
Is our question invalid?
I did not use the word clown because clown is an honorific for most of these people. The word I used was told. It means stupidity. You're seeing some of it as we speak right now in the manner in which I'm being interrupted. So it's all over. A. B. Please understand, how are you an authority on both armament and water management? How do you know it's propaganda? It is exactly people like you. And Ashwani made a good point. Ashwani said, please don't have befuddling narratives. Now, I don't know the Hindi equivalent of befuddling, but Navika will explain. The problem, Mr. Gentleman from, where is he from?
Anwar Pasha.
Mr. Pasha, with due respect, my point is, why would you want to hurt your own country's interests? Why would you mock our own philosophy, our own action point? Why would you say that, oh, Pakistan, no one has said Pakistan is thirsty. People have said that Pakistan will be deprived of water, which is an important ingredient in the quality of life.
But
no one has said Pakistan is
for
thirsty.
government when it becomes anti-national. What is happening right now in newsrooms is what is happening right now. Now I heard you.
No, he has to respond. Anwar Pasha raised a question.
अनवर पाशा जी, मैं आपसे बड़े हम्बली पूछना चाहता हूँ. अनवर पाशा जी, प्लीज सुन लीजिए. आपने सवाल पूछा है. अनवर पाशा जी सवाल पूछा है. नाविका, मैं जवाब दे दूं? मैं जवाब दे दूं नाविका?
Please don't interrupt.
नाविका, मेरा सवाल. अरे मेरा
One at a time, sir. पाशा जी, आपने पहला सवाल उठाया. Let Shehzad respond and I'll come back to you.
पाशा जी, मैं आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाहता हूँ. प्लीज सर, डोंट इंटरप्ट. सर, डोंट इंटरप्ट. सर, डोंट इंटरप्ट. नाविका, प्लीज.
1 minute.
It is my chance to speak, Navika. You called on me.
So speak now. I'm trying to silence him, na?
नाविका, रहबरी पर सवाल था. जब 26/11 के बाद स्पेसिफिक इनपुट देने के बावजूद भी सरकार ने कुछ नहीं किया. मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन का स्टेटस दिया. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ. आरजेडी के नेता सुधाकर सिंह बोलते हैं, आई एग्री विद चन्नी कि सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में कोई प्रमाण नहीं दिखा. और चन्नी ने क्या बोला? एक्चुअली डिड यू
कह रहे हो कि
प्लीज नाविका, मैम, हाउ डू आई
कह रहे हो ना?
One at a time.
क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने कुछ नहीं कहा. Is it what you are saying, Shehzad? Accept it. No, accept it.
आपने नहीं करा ना. In 2008 you did not do it. Suddenly you become very macho to ask them a question.
I only have one request. When I am speaking, I never speak in between anybody. Please let me complete my point. You please speak after that.
You don't have a point.
चन्नी जी के मजाक के करने का तरीका या क्या है पता नहीं. ही सेड सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में कहां बम गिराया इसका प्रमाण नहीं. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में बम नहीं गिरते. बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक में बम गिरे. दिस इज द फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ अ बॉर्डर स्टेट सेइंग दिस. माय लिमिटेड पॉइंट इज कि आप एक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं ना. मैं तो कह रहा हूं बाकी सब छोड़ो. टाइम्स नाउ देखो, पाकिस्तान के एमपी बोल रहे कि हम पे अटैक होगा तो हम लंदन चले जाएंगे. उनकी सेना के लोग रेजिग्नेशन दे रहे हैं. वहां पर उनके सेना के प्रमुख ने अपनी फैमिली को विदेश में कर दिया है. चेनाब नदी जो है ड्राई हो चुकी है. पर कुछ हुआ नहीं. हुआ 26/11 के बाद.
किल्ड बाय मोदी. लेकिन यहां प्रूफ देना जरूरी है. लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू वांट टू नो द प्रूफ ऑफ व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट्स एक्शन इज. द गवर्नमेंट हैज आस्क्ड स्टेट्स to get ready for the battle. That's action number 1. Rafale has done its drills. Ganga Expressway, landing, taking off, everything has happened. The DRDO has fired some undersea mines. And that has happened today. Now they want a full detail of when and where the bombs will be put and where our military movements will be. Now that is not coming to you, it's not coming to us, and you should just hold your heart and hold your mind because that detail is not going to come to you. But let me get in Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, people are asking this question. This is the time to stay united, not indulge in politics. Yes. Venkat asking this question. During UPA era, Army didn't even have a bulletproof jacket. Piyush asking this question from Gujarat. Why is Congress making fun of Rafael jets? Somesh from Madhya Pradesh. Congress should think about launching Rahul Gandhi properly first before launching Rafael's, is Dinesh Bardia's question. I want to ask you, are we, is this a joke? A conflict is a joke for you?
Yeah. No, I'll tell you. Firstly, the government has failed. They have acknowledged it, thankfully. 370 you removed. You said there will be no terrorism anymore. We are safe. And look what has happened. पूरी टूरिज्म की सारी इंडस्ट्री कश्मीर की आपने बर्बाद कर दी, आप मैनेज नहीं कर पाए. ये पहली चीज. अब आप रफेल दिखाइए, आप जो मर्जी दिखाइए, आप मॉक ड्रिल दिखाइए, कश्मीर को आपने बर्बाद किया. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि फाइनली आपने लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को आज बुलाया. हम लोग 3 दिन से चिल्ला रहे हैं दैट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द ऑपोजिशन इन कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड व्हेन नोबडी नोज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, व्हाट मेजर्स यू आर गोइंग टू टेक, आई डू नॉट नो, थिंग्स विल हैपन. ये नींबू मिर्ची की जो पॉलिटिक्स है कि साहब डिफेंस मिनिस्टर आ गए, रफेल को लेकर के आए जब देश में तो गए, ये सब चीजें आई डू नॉट नो हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट दे आर. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू हर्ट द रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ एनीवन. आप हर हर महादेव बोलिए फौज में, आप अल्लाहू अकबर नाराय तकबीर बोल करके पाकिस्तान पे हमला करिए, दैट इज रिलीजन. बट ये नींबू, नजरबट्टू, मिर्ची, दिस इज स्टुपिडिटी एंड अंधविश्वास. काइंडली गेट आउट ऑफ इट. आज एक सटायर था अजय राय की तरफ से. ही सेड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग नथिंग, I mean, your Rafales are still sitting with the, and we do not know what steps you are going to take. So, I mean, this is where the things happen. And nobody has questioned the army. Nobody has questioned the army. शहजाद पूनावाला ने फाली होमी मेजर को बार बार हर बार कोट किया है. अगर फौज के अंदर हर सिपाही, हर कैप्टन, हर मेजर अपने हर सुपीरियर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड बाद में किताबें लिख करके क्वेश्चन करने लगेगा, आई डू नॉट नो वेयर द कंट्री इज गोइंग टू गो. दैट मैन शुड बी डिस्करेज्ड. व्हाट ही डिड वाज रॉन्ग. सर प्लीज लिसन टू मी.
हां, आपने बोल दिया ना, आपने मुझे से सवाल
फाली होमी मेजर ने ना फोन किया था सरकार को, ना चिट्ठी लिखी थी. डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह
आपका 3 में ना 13 में आपको क्या पता किसने क्या कहा था? फाली होमी मेजर. Smita Prakash, do we have to actually believe Vivek Srivastava's preposterous statement that Fali Major did not even call? He has been on record and he's the army, he was the Air Force chief. Should we believe him or Vivek Srivastava?
Summoned by the Prime Minister. He was summoned by the Prime Minister.
Just give me 20 seconds. Before Smita ji, just 20 seconds.
I'm not going to get...
Go on, Smita.
I'm not going to get into a war of words right now. It is a time when just today they have announced that drills will be done in civilian areas. You think they're going to give us Google Map locations as to where the missiles are going and where Rafale is going to go? This is ridiculous to say कि जंग लग रहा है Rafale के ऊपर. You don't even know what fighter aircraft, how they are, the upkeep is done, how they are sent out on sorties. I mean, I don't even want to get into this. There's no point talking about these things. This is not for open consumption, but to say कि जंग लग गया है, नींबू मिर्ची लगा के रखा हुआ है.
And this is a joke the opposition is making, but I have breaking news coming in. The Indus River System Authority has put out a full press release saying that water has reduced in the Chenab and their Kharif sowing season is going to get impacted. Now, yes, Anwar Pasha ji chale gaye hain gussa hoke. Well, this is the Indus water release from Pakistan.
No, just 20 seconds. Suhail, just with your permission, 20 seconds. Suhail, just 20 seconds.
He's got washed up.
Vivek ji, by the way, please sir, please do not interrupt. Vivek ji, you said nobody is belittling the armed forces. The surgical strike was announced by the DGMO, not by Modi ji. When the DGMO said we attained our successful mission, the question has been asked. Sir, I did not interrupt you. Sir, please, Mr. Vivek ji, please let me complete. Don't make it a situation where everyone heckles me. The situation is that Channi ji, after so many
जब
years,
आप BK सिंह
continues
को
to.
टिकट देते हैं तो आप
Channi
आर्मी
ji,
को
after
politicize
so many
करते हैं,
years,
राजनीतिकरण करते हैं
Navika,
आप।
I do not interrupt. I genuinely like the audiences to hear the argument
Don't talk of
rather
Channi,
than
talk of the
interrupt.
rally of
Hold
the
on, hold on, Vivek Srivastava, complete your point.
Please, let's make a premium on discipline debate, ma'am.
Okay.
I am only asking you that Mr. Channi, when he's raising a question on surgical strikes efficacy, he's not raising a question on the government, he's raising a question on the armed forces.
Right.
I am asking you that today Mr. Sudhakar Singh has said this, doubted it.
No,
and you should be the last person talking about the armed forces, sir. When your leader wanted to give blood during the 1962
Channi,
war, your communists threw him out.
Absolutely.
No,
And please, this is the survey of what people in India think. Is the Congress helping Pakistan build a case to target India? Yes, say 84% of the people. No, say 13% of the people. 3% say can't say. Well, 84% of the people believe the opposition is playing into the narrative of Pakistan. I can only say, bhai, we are part of the same country. We are all Indian citizens, whether they are from the treasury benches or the opposition benches. Why then are we giving a handle to Pakistan? Is it too much to ask? For a few days, you want to know the reason? You want the accountability of the government? Yes, it should come. But is this the timing to seek accountability when we are preparing for conflict? When there are statements that we have to get into mock drills for blackouts, for getting into self-defense, for getting into absolutely battle-ready preparation by the civilians in this country? Or can that accountability question come a little later after we have taught Pakistan the lesson of their lives? Will the opposition please agree to this? After all, this is for India. Can they have any other goal than keeping India in their hearts and minds? That's the question we are asking. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1. On the other side, it is Counter Strike with Gaurav Arya coming up.